Alright, back again with the unboxing. Like my man earlier, he said, no Dominican that don't carry a knife in his pocket. So I found this Jason Cleaver. This is Michael Myers Cleaver. I'm gonna use real quick to open the box up. You know, get right to it. I'm about to jump in. Yiddy. Okay. Like, I don't know why everybody looks at this and just throws it aside. Do the same thing. This thing's packed nicely. Good quality. Okay. Console. This thing is small. Much smaller than the PS3. Slim or the original PS3, so I gotta give them that. Got my PlayStation 3 upstairs, sitting, chilling, giving it a break for now. Headset, controller, you know. Some AVs, power cord, power brick, you know, pretty big. My first Xbox, for the record. I got Xbox Arcade for my son for Christmas. He doesn't want it anymore, so I'll be playing it on this baby right here, my 52-inch. You know, I'm just hook it up in a little bit, so that's the unboxing. Hope you guys enjoy. If you can find one, please go grab one as soon as you can. It's a great system. I'm about to be up all night playing my games. See you guys online. Yeah, great. Signing off.